Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're venturing high into the Andes Mountains of South America, not to climb peaks, but to uncover the secrets of one of its most adorable and resilient inhabitants, the chinchilla. Have you ever wondered how these tiny, fluffy creatures not only survive but thrive in environments that are freezing cold and have thin air? Well, you're in the right place, because we are about to dive deep into the incredible biology that makes chinchillas true masters of the mountains. First, let's talk about that famous fur. It's not just for show. It's one of the densest coats in the animal kingdom. While most mammals, including us, have one or two hairs growing from a single follicle, chinchillas can have over 50 fine, silky hairs sprouting from just one. This creates an incredibly thick layer of insulation, trapping a pocket of warm air right next to their skin. This natural, ultra-lightweight thermal blanket is their first line of defense against the biting Andean cold, which can easily drop below freezing. It is so effective that it keeps them perfectly warm without the need for a thick layer of body fat, which would be cumbersome for a small animal that needs to be quick and agile to avoid predators. But staying warm is only half the battle. Life at high altitudes, we're talking over 10,000 feet, means less oxygen in the air. How do chinchillas cope with this? Their bodies have evolved some remarkable cardiovascular adaptations. Compared to their lowland relatives, chinchillas have more red blood cells and higher concentrations of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is the protein in red blood cells that grabs onto oxygen in the lungs and transports it throughout the body. By having more of it, they can capture the scarce oxygen more efficiently with every breath and ensure their muscles and organs get the fuel they need to function. It's like their entire system is supercharged for low oxygen living. Their circulatory system is also finely tuned for the cold. Chinchillas can use a process called vasoconstriction, where they narrow the blood vessels in their extremities, like their ears and paws. This reduces blood flow to those areas, minimizing heat loss to the frigid environment and redirecting that warm blood to their vital core organs. You might notice their small, round ears. This isn't just a cute feature. A smaller surface area means less space for precious body heat to escape. It's a perfect example of how evolution shapes every single part of an animal for survival. Now let's look at their lifestyle and behavior, which are just as important as their internal biology. Chinchillas are crepuscular, meaning they are most active during twilight hours, at dawn and dusk. This is a clever strategy. It allows them to avoid the extreme cold of the deep night and the heat of the midday sun, which can be surprisingly strong at high altitudes. During the day, they huddle together in rock crevices or burrows. This group snuggling isn't just social. It's a shared survival technique to conserve body heat. By sharing warmth, the entire colony benefits, reducing the energy each individual needs to expend to stay warm. Their diet also plays a crucial role. The Andean landscape is sparse, so chinchillas have to be resourceful. They are herbivores, feeding on a tough diet of grasses, leaves, and mosses that they find among the rocks. To extract as much energy and water as possible from this fibrous food, they have a highly specialized digestive system. And here's a fascinating, if slightly strange fact. They practice coprophagy. This means they eat their own fecal pellets. It sounds gross, but it's a brilliant way to give their food a second pass through the digestive tract, ensuring they absorb every last nutrient from their hard-to-digest meals. In an environment where every calorie counts, this adaptation is a game-changer. Their metabolism is another key piece of the puzzle. Chinchillas have a relatively low metabolic rate. This means their bodies burn energy more slowly compared to other animals their size. Think of it as an internal energy-saving mode. By not burning through their fuel reserves too quickly, they can survive on the limited food available and endure periods when foraging is difficult due to bad weather. This slow and steady approach is perfectly suited to the harsh and unpredictable mountain environment. Their physical build is also perfectly adapted for their rocky home. They have powerful hind legs, which allow them to leap and jump with incredible agility among the treacherous cliffs and boulders. This helps them navigate their complex terrain and escape predators like birds of prey and foxes. Their long, bushy tail isn't just for looks either. It acts as a counterbalance, helping them maintain their stability as they perform these daring acrobatic feats. Their large eyes are another adaptation for their crepuscular lifestyle, allowing them to see well in the low light of dawn and dusk, which is essential for both finding food and spotting danger. Sadly, these incredible adaptations that make them so unique have also made them a target. Their dense, luxurious fur led to them being hunted to near extinction in the wild. Today, wild chinchillas are a critically endangered species, protected by law, but still facing threats from habitat loss and illegal poaching. The chinchillas most of us know as pets are domestically bred and have been for generations, but their wild cousins are fighting for survival in their native Andean home. Conservation efforts are underway to protect the remaining populations and their fragile habitats, reminding us of the delicate balance of these unique ecosystems. So, from their unmatched fur coat and super efficient blood to their clever behaviors and specialized diet, the chinchilla is a true marvel of evolutionary engineering. Every aspect of their biology is a testament to the power of nature to adapt to even the most extreme conditions. They are a powerful reminder that even the smallest creatures can possess the most extraordinary survival skills. The next time you see one of these fluffy animals, you'll know that you're looking at a true high-altitude survivalist, a tiny titan of the Andes. Thank you so much for joining me on this deep dive into the world of the chinchilla. I hope you found it as fascinating as I do. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next adventure. Let me know in the comments what other amazing animal adaptations you'd like to explore. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.